exposing the wildest competition on YouTube. MrBeast's latest video is a game changer. In his latest viral sensation, MrBeast pits 50 of your favorite YouTubers against each other in a wild battle for a whopping $1 million. It's the ultimate test of skills, strategy, and sheer willpower. From free throw contests to blindfolded cooking challenges, the stakes couldn't be higher. And did we mention the bonus? 10 lucky subscribers are in the running to win a Tesla Cybertruck. The video has already smashed records, racking up 71 million views in just 24 hours. Fans are buzzing with excitement, eagerly watching to see if it will hit the 100 million mark. Even Elon Musk couldn't resist chiming in with a cool on the Cybertruck giveaway. MrBeast continues to push the envelope, keeping us all on the edge of our seats. Who will outlast the rest and claim the $1 million prize for their subscribers? Only one way to find out. Hit that play button and join the frenzy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic updates. See you next time. Remember, MrBeast has a history of creating some of the most thrilling challenges on YouTube. The reactions from the YouTubers are priceless, adding to the excitement and unpredictability. Behind the scenes, the setup for these challenges is just as intense, with meticulous planning and execution. MrBeast's dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly. The YouTubers themselves are strategizing, forming alliances, and plotting their way to victory. MrBeast's interactions with the participants add a personal touch, making the competition even more engaging. There are moments of intense drama, unexpected twists, and heart-pounding suspense. And let's not forget the funny bloopers that keep everyone entertained. The final showdown is nothing short of epic, with everyone giving their all. The winner's celebration is a sight to behold, filled with joy and triumph. MrBeast always takes a moment to thank his viewers, showing his appreciation for their support. And he never fails to tease future challenges, keeping us all eagerly anticipating what's next. The community engagement is phenomenal, with fans sharing their thoughts and predictions. Fan art and memes flood social media, showcasing the creativity and passion of the audience. The global reach of these challenges is astounding, uniting people from all corners of the world. Inspiring stories emerge from these challenges, highlighting the impact they have on people's lives. A montage of epic moments captures the essence of what makes these challenges so special. So, if you haven't already, hit that play button and immerse yourself in the excitement. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic updates. See you next time.